The granola turned out so good. Good morning, happy Tuesday. It's currently 6 a.m. I slept in a little bit, and we are getting this day started with journaling and reading, as we always do, and a little bit of water. It's 7 a.m. I'm going to do, my workout now. I'm gonna do 45-minute full body power workout by Sydney Cummings. I haven't done Sydney in a while now, so I'm excited to do her full body. I also haven't done full body in a while now, so I'm gonna do full body and then go on my walk. Everything is a little bit delayed this morning, as I'm sure it will be for the next coming days, since we are honestly in full lockdown. I literally can't leave the house. There's nowhere to go, so I have no reason to be up at 5 a.m. So if I don't get up at 5 a.m, that's just the way it's gonna go. So I'm gonna do this, then wash my face, go on my walk, and that's what's up.
3, 2, 1, come on. Land, back pedal.
Alright guys, since I had 2 smoothies yesterday, I think I'm gonna make some oats. So, it should be yum. Smell cinnamon. Okay, I don't know why the peanut butter is, it's just melting, so it looks like a ton, but I did protein oats with blueberries, yogurt, coconut yogurt, peanut butter, and some cinnamon drizzled with maple syrup. Looks so yummy, so I'm gonna eat this and watch some YouTube. It's 9:10 now. I just imported all the clips from yesterday. I'm going to edit this vlog and get it up, upload it, do all the works. Today, I don't really know if I have a class or not, so I'm gonna tune in and see if I have class, and then I want to get an introductory paragraph done for a final essay I have. Wow, that was hard for me. And yeah, and then I have VLOGMAS at 5:30, which I'm so excited for. It's abs and arms, which is like one of my favorite workouts. Fun fact, I love doing my upper body. I hate doing lower body. But yeah, so let's just sit here and edit.
It was the night before Christmas. I was closing.
Alrighty, it's 10:40. I just went over my cue cards. My video is uploading. There's like 15 minutes left and it should be up. Right now I'm just in my Zoom class waiting for it to start. If there is a class, like no one really knows, because it's all we have left in the class is our final next week. So I don't know if she's gonna do review or what, so we're just gonna go in and see. Then I have my final essay for English due next week, and the essay outline is due this Sunday. But I've done the essay outline, but like just kind of rough draft. This is how my brain works. I like to just like sit down and get it done. So I'm gonna sit down and write the introductory paragraph. Then I will alter my essay outline to what I decide with my paragraph. I know that is the incorrect way. That's just how it works for me. And then I'm gonna do that throughout the week. So then tomorrow I'll do first body, second body. But yeah, that's what's up. And then other than that, I don't have any work to do today. So then after that, we'll just see where the Mackenzie day takes us. But I do know I have VLOGMAS at 5:30 and I can't wait to see her beautiful face. So yeah, that's what's up. My oats were really good this morning, which is lovely. So yeah. 11:15 we did have class. All she did was go over like what we need to be getting done, which is chill because I already knew that. But now I'm going to start my English and I'll probably do this for a while. My video is now up, which is great. So I'll check back and see if there are any comments on that anytime soon. But yeah. So it's 12:30. I finished my intro paragraph, which is bueno. Now I'm going to make some lunch.
Last year I thought about how things...
Mom just made warm salads with a bunch of veggies and tofu, so I'm gonna eat this and watch some Vlogmas. The sun's really coming in right now, but it's 3:15 and I'm gonna make another recipe by, I really need to figure out how to say this girl's name. I'm gonna say by Gabby Caddo. I'll link the recipe down below. But it's gingerbread granola. So first we need 2 cups of, oh, I always forget this. First, we're gonna preheat our oven to 350. Then we take 2 cups of oats. 1, 2. Pro tip. Put away your ingredients as you're baking it. It makes cleaning way easier. Next, a cup of pecans. So the pecans are in. Now they use a 1/4 cup almond butter. I'm just gonna use peanut butter because we ran out of almond butter. And I'm just gonna do like a scoop or 2 full because I'm lazy. Cup maple syrup. Two tablespoons molasses. Cinnamon. Ginger. Nutmeg. And sea salt. Like what I would do this summer, like literally out. The granola turned out so good. It looks amazing. And I'm just prepping dinner because I'm gonna do Liv's class during when I normally make dinner. So it's going to be a sweet potato curry. It's just in the process of like thickening and stuff right now. And then I'm also gonna make coconut rice. So yeah. Okay, so Mom and I are just gonna take the dog for a walk and then we're gonna do Liv's arms and abs. And I'm so excited. So I've just doubled up in pants, so you guys already know. All right, we're doing VLOGMAS day 2 and Mom's doing it this time. So yeah, we're doing arms. Mom's in that socially distanced corner. I'm in this socially distanced corner.
That's how we roll.
So yeah, today is slow arms and abs burn. And in the kitchen, we got our curry heating up, thickening. So yeah, 5:30 and we're doing the thing. We did live and it was so good and Mom loved it, right?
I did.
And now Mom's making the coconut rice and we're gonna have our dinner.
Hold up, I am on my way.
Speaking of which, what do you say you and me go down to?
Alrighty guys, I totally forgot that we were gonna do the gingerbread house tonight. So sorry about that. We totally just neglected that. It didn't even cross my mind. So you'll see that hopefully in tomorrow's vlog if I can remember. But yeah, we just watched a movie. Now I'm gonna go on TikTok and go to bed. So thank you guys for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.